Phishing is a type of cyber attack that tries to trick you into giving away your personal and financial information, such as your passwords, account numbers, or social security numbers. If scammers get that information, they could use it to access your email, bank, or other accounts, or sell it to other criminals. Phishing emails or text messages often look like they come from a company you know or trust, but they are actually fake. They might ask you to click on a link or open an attachment that contains malware, or to update your payment information on a fake website. Here are some ways to avoid phishing emails and malicious links that can compromise your data and identity. Be suspicious of any email or text message that asks you to take urgent action, such as confirming your account details, resetting your password, or making a payment. Legitimate companies will never ask you to do that through a link or an attachment. Check the sender's email address and the message's spelling and grammar. Phishing emails often have typos, errors, or unusual domain names. For example, an email from Microsoft might have an address like support@microsoft.com, not support@Microsoft UK or support@micro0feet. Hover over any links before you click on them. You can see the actual URL of the link in the bottom left corner of your browser. If the URL looks suspicious, different from the sender's domain, or shortened with a service like bit.ly, do not click on it. Use a secure email gateway and a spam filter to block phishing emails from reaching your inbox. A secure email gateway is a software that scans incoming emails for malicious content and quarantines them automatically. A spam filter is a feature that filters out unwanted or unsolicited emails based on certain criteria. Use an antivirus software and a firewall to protect your device and network from malware. Antivirus software can detect and remove malware from your device, while a firewall can prevent unauthorized access to your network. Use an anti-phishing toolbar or a web security gateway to warn you of phishing websites. An anti-phishing toolbar is a browser extension that can alert you if you visit a fake website. A web security gateway is a software that monitors and blocks malicious web traffic. Never enter your personal or financial information on a website that is not secure. You can tell if a website is secure by looking for a padlock icon and https:// in the address bar. The S stands for secure and means that the website encrypts your data. Report any phishing emails or text messages you receive to the company they are impersonating, the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, or the Anti-Phishing Working Group, APWG. You can forward phishing emails to reportphishing@app.org or spam@us.gov, and phishing text messages to 7726 spam. If you think you have fallen victim to a phishing attack, act quickly to limit the damage. Change your passwords for any affected accounts. Contact your bank or credit card company if you shared your financial information, and monitor your credit reports for any signs of identity theft. One of the best ways to protect your network and communication from cyber threats is to use encryption, VPNs, and firewalls. These are three different but complementary technologies that can help you secure your data and control your access. Encryption is a way of scrambling data so that only authorized parties can understand the information. It takes readable data and alters it so that it appears random to attackers or anyone else who intercepts it. Encryption can be applied to different types of data, such as files, emails, messages, passwords, etc. Encryption can also be used to protect the data that travels over the internet between your device and the destination website or server. VPNs stand for Virtual Private Networks and are a piece of software that create an encrypted tunnel between your device and the destination of the information that you send on the internet. VPNs mask your original IP address and make it look like you are connecting from a different location. This can help you bypass geo-restrictions, censorship, and surveillance. VPNs also encrypt your web traffic from the vicious eyes of ISPs, snoopers, and other actors who might want to monitor or manipulate your online activity. Firewalls are devices or programs that protect your network from unknown or malicious ones. Firewalls filter the incoming and outgoing traffic based on a set of rules that you can customize. Firewalls can block unwanted connections, prevent malware infections, and alert you of any suspicious activity. Firewalls can also work together with VPNs to create a secure connection between your device and a remote network, such as your workplace or school. To use encryption, VPNs, and firewalls effectively, you need to follow some best practices. Choose strong encryption algorithms and keys for your data. For example, AES-256 is a widely used encryption standard that is considered very secure. Use a reputable VPN service that has a no-logs policy, supports multiple protocols and servers, and offers fast and reliable performance. Avoid free VPNs that might compromise your privacy or security. Configure your firewall properly to allow only the necessary traffic and block the unwanted ones. You can also use intrusion prevention systems, IPS, to detect and stop malicious attacks on your network. Keep your encryption, VPN, and firewall software updated to fix any vulnerabilities or bugs that might expose you to risks. Use other security measures such as antivirus software, password managers, two-factor authentication, etc. to enhance your protection. By using encryption, VPNs, and firewalls, you can protect your network and communication from various cyber threats such as malware, spyware, phishing, hacking, etc. You can also enjoy more privacy and freedom online by hiding your identity and location from prying eyes.